loosey-goosey. You're almost there anyway. What am I saying to you by saying almost there anyway? What am I saying? Right? You're doing that. I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I can drop down to the table. I'll be back in 2 or 3. I rock every tap 85,000 times. And further in the future, you know that you feel. So you do. There's other tap this area, I open a switch, you dial the summon that will computer that allows you in a remarkable way. Simply be able to perform, execute, be on top of the game, and what it is to take the greatest level you can be as a speed training technicist. Even beyond your wildest dreams, your ability to do this constantly is brilliant. Like a child on the happiest moment, when they're better, beautiful holiday or birthday, you're the future. Your mind, calm, clear, open, relaxed, experience, and very good. If I might show you my wristwatch or my pants, the funniest thing you ever saw, makes you smile and laugh and giggle like a little kid. Laugh, funny, happy. You've had a 9-hour nap, a 7-hour back. What's up? Mind wide open, nodding your head to me, yes, this is true, on the count of 3, wide awake, and 1, 2, 3, feeling absolutely marvelous in the world. How are we doing? We're good. You see the funny watch, just making you smile and giggle and laugh, funny, but it's funnier and funnier the more you look at it. And then you can reinduce hypnosis. Now you do this just 1 more second just to really grow some mind. And just for the sake of these people in the room and for yourself, as they snap their fingers, you drop your head right back down. It's 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drifting, floating, dreaming, rocking, relaxing, every rock, every tap, and feeling absolutely marvelous. You and I are great good friends for this class and any days beyond that or nights. Anytime we run into each other, big hearty hello. Yes, this is true. 1, 2, 3, by the way, feeling absolutely amazing. Round of applause for him, please.
The Trance Master is world famous hypnotist John Serbone.